Welcome to our full guide on how to save a Facebook post to your Facebook account. Saving posts allows you to easily access and revisit them later. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Next, navigate to the post that you want to save. Scroll through your newsfeed or visit the profile of the person or page that shared the post. Once you have found the desired post, tap on the 3 stacked dots located next to the publisher's name. These dots indicate additional options for the post. From the options that appear, tap on Save Post. This action will save the post to your account for future reference. After tapping on Save Post, you will be prompted to select the collection where you want to save it. Collections help you organize and categorize your saved posts. Choose the appropriate collection from the list or create a new one by tapping on Create New Collection. Give your collection a name that represents the type of posts you wish to save. Once you have selected or created a collection, tap on Save to confirm and save the post to the chosen collection. And that's it! You have successfully saved a Facebook post to your Facebook account. By saving posts, you can easily find and revisit them later. To access your saved posts, simply go to your Facebook profile, tap on the Menu button, and select Saved from the options. Explore the Saved Posts section to manage your collections, view the posts you have saved, and even share them with others. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to save a Facebook post to your Facebook account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tricks. Happy saving!